Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your TeledoorBell. And this will work on all TeledoorBells. Okay, so first thing you want to do is we're going to grab our phone, we're going to turn it on, we're going to listen for a dial tone. So we're going to listen for that dial tone, then you're going to hit *#0. You're going to hear two beeps, then you're going to hit #0. You're going to hear two more beeps, then the dial tone will come back on. Once that happens, now your system is factory reset. Keep in mind, guys, this will delete any call forwarding or anything you have on here. It puts the system back to default. It goes brand new. Okay, guys, if you have any other questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.